Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set side key to end calls in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. This is power button or side key. If you would like to end call with the side key, you can do it. For that, first go to call button in your phone, here, and go to these three dots and click on settings here, and here select answering and ending calls. Now click on press side key to end calls. Now if you receive any call or if you make any call, during the call, if you would like to cut the call, answer this call first, and if you would like to cut the call, usually you will use this soft key. So instead of soft key, now you can use the side key to cut the call. Okay, see here, yes, call is cut. So in this way you can easily make sure that your call is cut. Once again I do it, whether it is incoming or outgoing call. uh, After making the call, after attending the call, if you would like to cut the call, just you can press this side key. Okay, it will end in this way. You can easily make sure that your call is cut using this side key. Okay, sometimes if you will miss to cut the call if you use that soft key. Okay, if you turn off this, then side key will not work. You have only option to end with uh, soft key. Okay, now the side key will not work. Okay, see here. So you have to use this button only. This is soft key, and yes, it is cut. So in this way you can, if you would like to use the side key, make sure that this button is turned on and you can use it. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.